I'm Frans Johnnie, your husband's Austrian cousin.
Well, what's up?
Something's wrong with my motorbike.
Oh, is it a tumor?
It's not a tumor.
Well, then what is it?
It keeps giving me a service engine light.
Yeah, well, you could do what your cousin Johnnie says. Ignore it and ride it like you stole it.
I don't think you understand.
Huh?
This is a very sophisticated piece of Austrian machinery. Like me, it's designed to go all the way around the world, 24,000 miles.
Well, this is my bike. And it's gone 44,000 miles. And it's a BMW, but it's made in Germany.
Oh, well, that's completely different. I'll be back.
Oh, hey, John, back in Oregon.
Don't you mean Oregon State?
Well, back in Oregon.
Oregon State.
Oh, did your Beavers win?
Yes, they did.
Oh, good.
How about your Ducks?
Well, of course.
Did they beat a ranked opponent?
So anyway, I'm Carolyn.
And I am Frans Johnnie. Welcome back.
How many cousins do you have?
Well, as many as I need, Carolyn. As many as I need. Hey, how great does it feel to be back in Oregon?
It is so good. We are back home. We've been 2 weeks in the Willamette Valley, and we've had a remarkable time, actually. So I'm looking forward to covering that. So we got 3 things. Motorcycling and why we love riding in Oregon. Second is we get to see our son, and that is just wonderful, Connor. We've really had a great week. And third is what we got next.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, it started with that ride to the coast, and that started with a ferry, somebody's favorite form of transportation.
Well, I did it 3 years ago, and that was the first ferry ride I had my motorcycle on, and since then, I can't remember how many we've ridden.
Ferries and tunnels and bridges, oh my. So what we did is we took the ferry out to Highway 22, and Highway 22 is one of those just beautiful roads that lead you to Tillamook, Oregon. A grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup in Tillamook. And Carolyn even gave me a piece of ice cream at the end of it.
Well, yeah, but I also took you down memory lane.
Oh, yeah.
Because it was the race I never finished.
Yes, so Carolyn's perhaps her greatest claim to fame is the Sand Lake Grand Prix, in which she came up there to run in a Grand Prix race, and there wasn't a woman's class. So she started the race with the boys. And in that class of 18 guys, Carolyn picked them off one by one until she just had the leader. And then, where was Carol?
I blew that bike up right in the middle of the dunes, but I had good friends. You guys came and picked me up.
Yeah, we've been rescuing her for a long time ever since. But we were out there at Sand Lake, and I was able to throw the drone up and kind of just look at the old stomping grounds, or where the history wasn't quite made.
It does bring back memory. Good memories. We also had an opportunity to go to Florence. Yeah. And so a different ride. The dunes.
Yeah, we were on South Jetty Dunes down in Florence, and I took the opportunity to throw the drone up and give everybody a little look at Oregon's largest dune area, which is. It's just beautiful, but constantly changing. So as many times as we've been there to play in the past, looks completely different now.
Yeah, that is true. So the other thing that we got to do while we were here is meet Alison.
We got to meet Alison, Connor's girlfriend.
Yeah. And well, what a sweetheart.
Oh, she's really wonderful.
I found out that she had never been on a motorcycle.
Allison's never been on a motorcycle?
Can you believe that?
Well, it sounds like an opportunity to take Allison for a ride.
Yes, good idea.
Just not bad, huh?
All right, she's on. She's got, yeah.
Yep.
You're much more out in the environment.
Yeah.
Okay, just be prepared.
Wow.
There's 80 in fifth gear. It's a
Wow.
You can do, this bike does about 150.
So cool.
You know. And again, you know, you could get yourself in a world of hurt if you weren't ready or you weren't certain what you were doing
Sure.
or whatever. So
Oh my gosh, I can't imagine.
I've done this
Yeah.
for such a long time.
I told Carolyn this is the best case scenario for my first bike ride.
Oh, I think so. I mean, honestly, I've ridden motorcycles since I was 13. I owned a motorcycle shop, which means I had the ability to ride a variety of bikes.
You know, from inside out.
Yeah.
Okay. How was it? How was it? How was it? Is it amazing? She did it! She did it! Hey, you pull. Yes, I love it. Yeah, you got it, girl. All right. What?
Well, you gotta do it too.
Are you okay? Were you scared?
No, not at all. It was so comfortable. Everything about it was just so smooth and fun and fast.
You can tell Allison had a great time on that
I
motorcycle.
think she had a pretty good time.
Yeah. Well, it was
So,
really fun.
Yeah, it might be something we'll be able to repeat again.
Yep.
So, time with our son is the real reason we're down here
Yep.
in this area. And what a joy. We've had a really good week.
Well, we had a great week that began with Connor taking us to his place of work,
Yeah.
but treating us to an amazing meal at an amazing restaurant.
Yeah, George and Violet's is in Springfield, and the menu, delicious. I think that might have been your best steak.
Not might have.
Oh.
It was the best steak I've ever had. The chef is classically trained. The meal is highest quality. The atmosphere was, you couldn't ask for a better restaurant.
Right.
And Connor works there as a bartender and server. So we had good food, great atmosphere.
And great service.
Great service, yeah.
yeah. So what a joy. Thank you for that, Connor. We've had a great time. We also went down to Level Up. Now that's where Alison gets to work.
Right,
And
which is
so-
a video game parlor, which Carolyn and I hadn't been in a video game parlor
No.
in 40 years.
But what a joy. That was pretty fun. I really did try to beat you.
She gets a roll of quarters in her hands, and next thing you know, she's got her name on the centipede board. So, yeah.
But you guys, Guitar Hero brings back
Played a lot of
memories.
Guitar Hero as raising our kids up, and I was bad then, and I'm bad now.
I thought you did pretty good. So we're headed today to Southern Oregon, and there's so much to cover in Southern Oregon.
So much to look forward to.
Like rides and hiking, and just we've got lots to cover.
Yeah, we are excited about getting back to Southern Oregon and what we're about to share with you.
Yeah.
Which I may do something I never thought I'd have the guts to do.
What are you gonna do? Jump out of an airplane or something?
And on that note,
Travel safe.
and we'll see you out on the road.